Hi, good evening. For that, I'm Arthagracia Claudia Andriana, and I'm from class 19.2 C.13. And in for my project on English lessons is introduction to email uh that I got from 13 lesson 13 about email. So I put in this video is introduction to email. Next. Okay, email or electronic mail is a key communication method in the digital age, facilitating the exchange of message over the internet. It enables rapid information dissemination and connectivity among individuals and organizations across the globe. So basically, what is the email? Definition of email. Email is an abbreviation of electronic mail. As the name implies, email is an electronic letter sent using a computer, smartphone, or tablet with an internet connection. Actually, this email is the same as the letters we use to write in the past. But instead of writing on paper, we write it on an electronic screen. So likewise, when sending, we do not use the postal service, but help of the internet. Also, email is a digital communication system allowing users to send or receive message through the electronic channels, and it requires an email address and operate via email clients that manage incoming and outgoing message efficiently. A little bit about history from email itself. So, the email is dates back to the early. So for the history of email itself is it's back to the early 1060 when it was first utilized for sharing message or on ARPANET, and then it evolved significantly through the 1070 and 1980, yeah, with the introduction of user-friendly interface and the establishment of protocols, leading to its widespread adoption in the 60, oh no, uh, 99, yeah, 99, 99. Okay. Types of email service. So email service vary from the web-based service like Gmail and Outlook to enterprise email solutions aimed at managing professional correspondence. Each type offers different features such storage capacity, security measures, and user interface options tailored to specific user needs. In addition, email has several other types, namely pop email, web email, and forward email. I'll explain three types of this. So, number one, pop email. Hotmail is stands for Post Office Protocol. So this type of email comes from an ISP or an email address given by a company to its employees. So when you become part of the company, you will also get this type of email to be able to communicate with fellow coworkers. And one of the main features of pop email is the domain that you use in the email. So you usually when you register an email on Google, the domain that appears is the email name at gmail.com. Well, in PopMail, the domain will not be Gmail anymore, but the name of the company it's usually we use in university of school too. So basically not in just the company yet, but we can use with schools or university or yes, many things for the pop mail. Second, webmail. Webmail is a website-based email. In contrast to other types of email that can be accessed within applications, those of you who have a webmail must open a website if you want to get access to read or send emails to others. Last, forward mail. Forward mail service is a service that allows you to forward email to other users. And other users here do not have to be other people. It can also be for other mail addresses that you have. That way, even if you change email addresses, you will not lose your old emails that are very important. So basically for the forward email too, it's one of the problems that many people often experience is that we often forget our email, passwords, or just social media accounts. So as a result, when this happens, we lose access to open all our email. If this happens, there are two ways you can do it. First, change your email password. Every technology company like Google always provides a password change option for those who forget their Gmail account password. Well, this is if the email you have contains important content, so you have to get it back no matter what. And then the second method is applies if the content of your emails are currently not that important. You can easily change your email address. Well, for those of you have often changed email addresses for various reasons, you can use forward mail. Then functions of email. One is for communication is in a personal life. Email serves as an essential tool for personal communication, enabling individuals to connect effectively with family and friends. It allows for the sharing updates, photo, and planning of the events, providing convenience and efficient means to maintain the relationship regardless of geographic barriers. And then two, professional correspondences. In a business realm, email is a predominant communication medium. So facilitating correspondence among colleges, clients, and stockholders. It's supported formal communication needs such as scheduling meetings, sharing reports, and coordinating projects, ensuring clarity and documentation of all exchange. Three, marketing and promotions. Companies utilize email for direct marketing and promotional activities through the targeting email campaigns. And then they can reach customer with newsletter or special offers, or maybe some product announcements, fostering engagement and customer loyalty while providing measurable results through analytics. So how we use the email. One, setting up an email account. Establishing an email account is a straightforward process. So user can select a reliable email service provider, complete the registration process, and create an account. It is vital to choose a strong password and configure settings like security options and notification according to personal preference. Two, composing and sending message. When composing an email, users should click the compose function, enter the receives email address, and provide the consist subject line along in the message body. And you can writing in a clear and professional tone. Tone is essential. And attachment can be included to change communication. And then you can managing your inbox. Then this is crucial for maintaining productivity. So users should regularly categorize emails into a folder, clear out spam, and utilize filtering option to prioritize important message. So these organizations help in ensuring that essential communication are easily accessible. So the conclusion is email remains a fundamental communication tool in both personal and professional contexts. By fully understanding its function and mastering the skills needed to use it actively, individuals can enhance their communication capabilities and foster meaningful interaction. So that's all for me. Thank you and good evening. Bye bye.